Yeah, yeah. Hi guys. Good evening. Welcome to some other education. So everyone is able to hear me. Okay, perfect. So as you know, we did conduct a webinar last week, right? So and I got some response that they wanted because many of them missed the last week webinar, and there was a request to do the webinar again on the CPA process, CPA evaluation, and various nomenclatures, what they were not able to understand, and how's the CPA exam being conducted, and what are the various basic steps and all. So today I'd be taking care again on that particular thing, and any questions and all you can please put up in the chat box, and request everyone to go into the mute so that I can take this questions also in the chat box, and because there is a lot of disturbance if each and everyone is keep talking and all. So any questions and all, request you to put it into the chat window only, and we can take it up from there. Okay. So straight away, one question we have got is, sir, I'm not through with any paperwork required for CPA registration. So if I start the process from 1st May, when the lockdown will be over, can I appear for the September exams in India? Is what Anand is, Anand is asking me. So guys, before going through, if you can write or if you cannot write the exam, that is a secondary thing. The process itself, what we are seeing up is the evaluation process is kind of speeding up. So that's a good news for you. So in case if the evaluation happens faster, so you can schedule your exams also faster. Now, all these things having said that, what is evaluation and everything, so I've just taken up some glossaries or some terms which are familiar and all in CPA. So if everyone is able to see my screen, guys. Yes. Is everyone able to see my screen? Okay, perfect. So if you see there, I have just taken out a PPT here and took out some glossary or the nomenclatures where most of them are not uh, aware of what is there in the CPA thing. So first is the AICPA, guys. So AICPA is the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. Like in India, we have Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Same way in US, we have AICPA, which is known as the governing body, right? So they are the one who sets the exams, who administer the exams, and who are responsible for your CPA scores. Now, second comes is NASBA. So NASBA is like the national association, that is like an so what happens is the exam process, everything is being outsourced to NASBA, right? So they maintain the entire software or the database of each and every candidate, right? If I want to see the scores or anything, or your exam scores, your exam scheduling, your prometric scheduling, everything, right? So that has to go through a valid NASBA account and all. So NASBA is that intermediary who handles this each and everything, right? Your candidate details, your NTS and all. So these are the ones who issue your hall ticket, right? So I would say NASBA is acting like a person, like a college. So in my example, Delhi University will be AICPA, right? And any of the colleges of Delhi would be NASBA for me. And NIS is one more body which evaluates your credential. Like Anand have asked me a question here, sir, how faster I can write my exam. So this is one of the body which kind of talk about this particular thing, right? So NIS is a one who kind of evaluates your credits. Now, what is this, sir? So all your CPA exams and everything, your scores are converted into certain number of credits. Right. So if you are a graduate first year, you get 30 credits. If you're a graduate second year, you get 30. Graduation final year, you get 30. So by default, your BCom gives you 90 credits. So US requires 120 credits. Now, what are these credits? Your scores are converted into certain number of units called as credits. That makes you eligible to sit for the CPA exam. Now, by default, US follows a 4-year bachelor's degree, and in India, we have a 3-year bachelor, so we get 90 credits only. So you can still sit for the CPA exam with a written undertaking that you would meet a balance credit within 18 months. So you need to give an undertaking or a paperwork that you will meet your balance credit within 18 months from the day you sit for the first exam, right? So by the time you can meet your balance 30 credits. So sir, if I'm a BCom and if I'm an MCom pursuing, I can sit for the CPA exam. Sir, if I'm a BCom and if I'm a CA inter, I can still be eligible because CA inter, CWI inter gives you 30 credits. So CA inter gives you 30, your BCom gives you 90, so you are getting 120 and you can sit for the CPA exam straight away. Having said that, even with a 90, you can still sit, but you'll need to do and you'll need to write an undertaking that you will meet your balance 30 credits. So let's say I'm a BCom and PGDBM in finance. So PGDBA will give you 30 credits and BCom will give you a 90 credits, Akash. So you will get 120 credits. Any postgraduate diploma of 1 year would give you 30 credits, right? So Ridhima is asking, kindly guide the entire procedure for CPA after one have achieved a professional degree like CA. So the procedure remain the same. If I'm a chartered accountant, if I'm a BCom, if I'm an MCom or whatever, the process is the same. You will need to give your education documents to NIS, your evaluation agency, who will evaluate your credits and will give you certain scores, certain credits on based of your scores. So, sir, if I'm a chartered accountant, how much credits I will get? 60 credits you get for a qualified chartered accountant, because CA is considered as a postgraduate degree in US. So your BCom will give you 90, your CA will give you 60, so you'll get 150. Now, if I have a PGDPM of 2 years, I'll get 60 plus 30 plus 30, 60 credits, and BCom will give me 90, so I have a 150. Now, if a candidate is BCom plus MCom, it will be again 150, because MCom gives you 60, BCom gives you 90, so you get 150 credits, Yogesh, not 120. Because MCom is considered as CA only in US. So in US, masters का respect वही है जो chartered accountants का है. So chartered accountants will also give you the same credits what an MCom will give you. So for them, both are one and the same. Like in India also, we consider CA as post equivalent. Some of the universities where ICI have signed an MOU, so they consider CA as an post graduation degree only, right? So that's why they give 60 credits. So you get 150. So 120 is for sitting for the CPA exam and 150 is for licensing. So licensing will take it later. Right now, everyone is concerned on sitting for the CPA exam. Now, what are the rules you must be aware is, if you're writing the exam in India, within 3 years, you will need to apply for license, and for license, you need 150 credits. अगर आप 3 साल में license के लिए apply नहीं करते हो, your scores will lapse. Though there is nothing stringent from AICPA that they will lapse your scores or you'll need to write the exam again, but you need to be careful on this rule. अगर आप इंडिया में एग्जाम लिख रहे हो, within 3 years you will need to apply for license after passing the CPA exam. So if you don't pass your CPA, if you have passed your CPA exam and if you don't apply for license, you will not get your your scores will get lapsed and you'll need to write the CPA exam again. Now Wasim is asking, after completing MCom, am I eligible for CPA exam? Again, Wasim, what I have said is, even if you're a BCom, you can still write the CPA exam by submitting an undertaking that you're doing an MCom degree and all, and in that undertaking you can write and submit it to NASBA and they will consider you and you can sit for the CPA exam, right? So you're still eligible. No raising hands. Any questions, guys, please put on the webinar chat. So Meena is having a doubt. I'm a BCom from Christ University, CA Inter plus CS Professional. So will I meet 150 credits? So your BCom gives you 90 credits, right? Your CA Inter gives you 30 credits. Your CS Professional gives you 30 credit. So 90 plus 30 would give you 150. But again, CS is given credits only when you complete the entire CS degree. So if I'm a CS Inter, I will not get any degree, right? So membership is not the criteria, Meena, here. So even if your membership is pending, that doesn't matter. You need to complete the CS degree, company secretary exam, you need to pass. So kindly, can you share the details of the credits being eligible for CPA exam sitting and other details along with it separately? Yes, that we will take it up. This is a webinar, so I'll share that post the webinar, okay? So can we appear for the CPA exam from India now? So Vicky, yes, you can write the CPA exam in India this year. Most probably June, September and December you can write. We are not sure. There is no official information. Don't get misguided by other institutes that this is a permanent move. This is definitely not a permanent move, because till now it's not official. But having said that, they have come to India and they have done all the due diligence. So we are assuming that they will continue it. But right now, please consider this as that the CPA exam is till this December only. Till it is not official, we don't want to comment on that. Ki it will be next year or that also. Right? So if you want to appear for December exam, would it be an ideal time to start the process and all? Yes, 100% you can straight away enroll and start studying and all and target the December month as such. So how much time it takes to complete the course? So typically 1.5 year is what they tell for an average student. And a person, if he's sitting at home like 3 hours, 2 hours, if he study at home, so he should be completing this by 10 months. Okay. So anyways, the next slide is what we are talking about is Then we have some nomenclatures called as evaluation, which I have discussed, that this is how you evaluate your credits and all. Once you send your documents, your mark sheets and all to NIES, which is an evaluation agency, you will get something called as NTS. NTS is nothing but your hall ticket, notice to schedule. And last step is the prometric, which will schedule your exam with a prometric. So these are the words which are used in the CPA exam, right? So next comes is the testing window. So you can write the CPA exam. Right now in India, you can't write every month, because in other places, like in US, you can write the CPA exam every month, but in India, it is currently in June, September only, right? So that is how it is. So some of the questions again we have got. Can we submit the scanned copy of transcripts and mark sheets to NIS? No, they will not take. What do we mean by sealed transcripts? So see there, Meena, actually what the sealed transcript means is, so this is how the transcript looks like, guys. So if you see in my, so everyone, are you able to see my screen here? Yes, is everyone able to see my screen here? Please don't raise hands. Any questions, please? So see if this is how the transcript looks like. So these are in the sealed envelope. If you see there, this is how transcript looks like. So you should never open the sealed envelope here. Are you getting it? The moment you open the envelope, it is gone. So what is this, sir, in this envelope? What is there? Whatever is your mark sheets and all, you will need to give the mark sheets to the university, right? Your Xerox copies and all, they will attest it, sign it. Attestation matlab kya? Unka sign mark ke, they will put it in an envelope and seal it and sign it, right? So that's why NIS ka trust is more on that particular thing. So they trust more when it is sealed in the envelope. If you give the scanned copies or the Xerox copies to NASBA, they will not approve it. You will just waste your money. So you need to be very, very careful in that particular thing. Are you getting it? I hope. So can you specify the university criteria like UGC verified or any university is fine. You don't need to see, yeah, but they should be UGC verified again. Then only the credits. So UGC verified, most of the universities are UGC verified only. Even if it's not a NAC and all, you will still get 90 credits, right? So it doesn't mean if you're a NAC, non-NAC, it doesn't have any impact as such. I hope you are able to understand till the evaluation procedure. So this all documents you'll need to submit to the NASBA and you will get your something called as NTS. Now, what is a CPA review? So many of the people ask, why can't I do self-study in CPA? Why do I need to rely on Simandar or on Sripal Jain or anything? Again, the question is, you don't need to rely on anyone. So I am also just as a mentor, I'm taking it and helping you out. And that's how I do my services. So it is not that a compulsion that you will need to take Samandar coaching only, or you need to take a Becker product only, or like that. So you can still study on self-study, but the problem is AICPA doesn't have any study material. Are you getting it, guys? So there is no study material which is designed by AICPA. So it is designed by Becker and all. So that's how it is being done. I'm seeing the questions, guys. Just wait for 2 minutes. I'll take up all the questions. Don't worry. I'm seeing each and every question I'll be taking up. Let me complete everything, okay? So what happens is CPA doesn't have any syllabus as such, right? So since AICPA doesn't have any curriculum and all, so there are CPA review providers which designs the curriculum for them, right? So that's how your study material, your practice questions and everything comes up. Like there are a lot of review providers like Becker, Sargent, Glemm and all who prepares the study material for AICPA. Like in ICI gives you a study material, our institute, right? Here AICPA doesn't give you a study material. You will need to rely on some review provider and kind of write this exam. Okay, so that is about the review provider definition. Okay, now one question I have come is Utsav Gupta. I have done graduation from Delhi School of Open Learning. So will I be eligible? You don't need to type 5-6 times Utsav, because I'm able to see your question. So if you type 1,000 times, it doesn't mean that I'll take up that question also, because I'm having a lot of other questions in the queue there. So I'm just answering accordingly. So you have done graduation from Delhi School of Open Learning. We'll need to check that, because I don't know Delhi School of Open Learning is UGC approved or not, and how is it and all also. So once you submit the documents and all, I can go into details and kind of verify that with the NASBA and the other officials. So I can't directly straight away tell that will you be eligible or not. Are you getting it, Utsav? So you'll need to give the documents, email us to Simandar so I'll just ping you the ID here, Simandar Education 1@gmail.com, right? or info@simandareducation.com. So all your education documents you can submit here, and we can kind of coordinate with NASMA and kind of take it up from there. Okay. Now, can a CA holding a certificate of practice can also practice CPA? No, you can't do simultaneous practice. If you're a practicing chartered accountant, you can't practice CPA simultaneously. So that is out of the purview. Okay. Sir, will the transcript be directly sent by university or via me? Is Anand is asking. No, you will only need to send Anand. University won't submit it. Even though there is an option of university sending it, I would suggest, guys, best practices is that you take up that marks, transcripts and all, and you only ship. We can't rely on our Indian universities. पहले बोल रहा हूँ boss. So you are at your own risk if they don't ship it properly. Okay. So better get the documents from them, and you yourself ship. 3,000, 4,000 doesn't matter. I'm a BCom and CA. However, I don't have a convocation certificate, but I have my college transcripts. Am I good to go? No, Ekta. You will have to get convocation or provisional certificate. Without provisional or convocation certificate, they will not give you credits, guys. So remember that in BCom, what all you need to submit: BCom first year, second year, final year mark sheet, your provisional mark sheet, your convocation certificate. If you don't have convocation, you will need to submit your provisional mark sheet, right? So they will need to have a proof that you have completed your graduation. Are you getting it? Sir, after obtaining NIS evaluation copy with 120 credit, do we have to send transcripts again to apply for NTS? No. When you apply for NTS, you don't need to send the transcripts again because you have already sent your transcripts to NIS. So there is no need to, though you get like messages there, but that is actually wrong. So you don't need to again send. That torture will not be there in NTS. So don't worry, Sarika. Sir, is BCom from IGNOU approved for 90 credits? Yes, it is approved. Sir, hi, I am Subramaniam, currently working in an MNC company, having 3 years of experience, post articles, BCom plus CA finance student. What package I can expect after CPA? Also, can I complete CPA? Can I complete what I can expect after CPA? And can I complete CPA in September working full time? Yes, you can do it. But again, the possibility is very remote of you guys who all are applying now for this CPA exam and evaluation. I don't think so. You can write the exam in September. You should plan somewhere in December. And I see that AICPA is opening up in December also. They have given some surety because I think India lockdown might extend to June. So most of them might not be able to write in June their CPA exam. So they will open up the window in September and December also. Right. So Subramaniam, the packages, what you can expect after CPA is, I don't want to talk like other institute, 20, 13 lakhs. No, the answer is very straightforward. You would get 7 to 7.5 lakhs fresher. So that is your average salary. That's the CTC you will get if you're a fresher without any experience. So after passing CPA, you should expect somewhere around 6.5 to 8 lakhs as a band, right? So if you're a very classy person, 8 lakhs is a maximum. Please don't be in another impression of other institutes. They talk about like in US, you'll get 30 lakh, 40 lakhs. That is all very, very, see, CPA is never a passport to US. Please understand that. If you pass a CPA exam, it doesn't mean that you will get a job in US. There's a wrong misconception. This is completely wrong that you will go to US. It doesn't happen like that. You need a valid visa and all. So there are a lot of things to go to US. So you need to apply for your TOEFL exam, GRE and all, and then you kind of go to US and apply. Yes, the CPA degree is very, very useful in US, but it doesn't give you a kind of entry to go to US and work there. Okay. So there is a separate process for that to go to US. Okay. I hope Slakshi Subramaniam, I think that is clear now. Vicky is asking, is CPA better than a CFA? So Vicky, I would like to be honest. I don't want to compare, but if someone is asking me from an investment banking perspective, then CPA doesn't come anywhere closer to CFA because CFA is a very superior qualification as such because it's a tougher qualification also. So I would say CFA is better. Just that I'm doing the CPA webinar, it doesn't mean that I will talk bad about CFA because CFA is definitely the better one. I'm assuming that you're talking CFA of US, not of India. So CFA is a better choice if you're going into an investment banking career. But if you're going into an accounting career, audit career, business finance career, corporate finance career, so then CPA also is a very good bet, right? CFA is not so important there. Okay, so only in equity research and stock market kind of profiles or in the fundraisings and all, portfolio manager, CFA does a good job there. So after CPA US, can we do CPA Canada or CPA US suffice in Canada too? No need to do again Canada CPA. US CPA is well accepted there. Is CIMA course eligible for credits? No. So what is the total of all the 4 exams? I'll come to that, Saurabh. So overall the fees is $2,500. $1,500 is the international testing fees and $1,000 is the exam fees. So total kharcha was India में $2,500 into 80 rupees. Somewhere around 1,80,000 to 2,00,000 rupees आपका खर्चा रहेगा पूरा CPA का. और कोचिंग फीस अगेन इट डिफर्स. सिमंदर की फीस थोड़ी ज्यादा है. वी आर बिकॉज ऑफ आवर क्वालिटी एंड वट एवर द थिंग, हम लोग बहुत बदनाम है मार्केट में ज्यादा प्राइसिंग रखने के लिए, बट that is how we are. We maintain our quality and all. So I'm assuming that 3,20,000, 3,30,000 would be your overall cost for CPA. Right, Mohit, sir, I appeared CPA but could not clear. I have evaluation done in 2012. I have evaluation 146. Can I use the same credits and write the exam in September or June? Yes, you can schedule your NTS again, Mohit. You don't need to worry. You have the evaluation report mailed to your state board. You don't need to apply for evaluation again, Mohit. So just mail them. I'm sure that they will accept it. Okay, sir, is there good opportunities for CPA in India? Yes, there are a lot of opportunities in CPA in India. Actually, there are a lot of outsourcing companies coming up. Big Fours are hiring like anything. So there are a lot of job opportunities for CPA. You don't need to worry. We ourselves have a Kikifin website, guys. So we ourselves place a lot of these students in the market. Actually, if you see there, guys, if everyone is seeing the screen, so this is our portal where, so we are also the recruitment partners for various companies as well. So you don't need to worry on the placement thing, and also that is something which we do, right? And I'm sure that we'll be able to do it in a better manner. So this is our portal where we place our students, Kikifin. This is an exclusive portal where I help all the CA students, CPA students, USCMA students, ACCA students and all. So all those sort of people, CFA people. So we place a lot of the students. So this is an exclusive website which we have designed, and we are the paid placement partners also for various corporates. Okay, just joined. I'm Keshav. I'm submitting transcript to Delhi University. They have provided only mark sheet and degree to me. So my question is, mark sheet and degree would be enough for, or do I need something like provisional degree? Something I'm also qualified as a CA, so I'm submitting that also. Is that enough? Yes, provisional mark sheet is fine. Year-wise mark sheet also you need, and you need a consolidated mark sheet also, Keshav. So if you don't have a convocation certificate, your provisional is sufficient. If you don't have a provisional, convocation is sufficient, Keshav. So you don't need to worry on that. And if you're a chart accountancy, anyways, you don't need to worry. You'll get 60 credits from there also, right? So Vicky is asking, what value will a CPA add to a qualified CA in India? 100% there will be a lot of value. See, because I see that the competition is more in chartered accountancy right now. Everyone is becoming CA. CA plus CPA will kind of enhance your chances of getting your resume selected if you're applying for US companies. And you tell me, guys, people are asking me questions that what opportunities are there in India. Every second company is a US company in India. You have Accenture, Capgemini, Cognizant, right? JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, right? So there are so many companies. PepsiCo is coming up. Amazon is hiring like anything. So they are the big hiring companies here in India. So I think a CA plus CPA would definitely give you an upper edge there. See, a Standard Chartered Bank, all have their operations in Singapore, right? So that time a CA knowledge will not be counted. For CPA knowledge will be counted of bankruptcy, of the US tax. So you need to know a lot of literature of US also in order to be selected in those companies. So Vicky, I would say a CA plus CPA would definitely have an upper edge. But yes, it will not be like what you're thinking, like it will increase your compensation like anything, but it will make you market ready for sure. You will become an immediate candidate for getting selected in various companies. So Meet is asking, please guide us on how CPA is beneficial to a practicing CA. As you told, a person cannot practice both simultaneously. Yes, so but what you can do is you will have to kind of apply for license, but you don't kind of be in active license. So that is how it is, Meet. So you can have an active and you can have an inactive license also. But if you're a practicing CA, you can't do it a CPA. So what we do is when we pass a CPA exam, so a lot of my students, they got the franchise of US. The top US CPA firms like Deloitte have come to India with Ferguson and Co. EY came with SR Bartley Boy. KPMG came with this one. So these are all Indian companies which got alliance with the US based companies. We are seeing that in Ahmedabad also. Citrin Cooperman, Eisner is there, Baker Tilly is there. So all the top CPA firms, they are trying to bring their operations to India because US currently is into recession now. So almost all the countries are into recession. So this is a great opportunity to do practice also, to bring the US work here, because India is a cheap labor country, right? तो यहाँ पे सब लोग उनको सस्ते में मिलेंगे. So you can do a lot of outsourcing work also. Please Don't focus only on job. Your CPA can definitely give you an upper edge of setting up a great practice, because you see that a lot of the chartered accountants are not doing any international work also. They're not doing any US based outsourcing or anything. So it's a good opportunity that you go into the international work assignments and get some work from US and Europe or Canada or Dubai. So that's a good opportunity. We are seeing that a lot of the people are doing already, but yes, the competition is very less currently. So it's a good opportunity that you can capitalize this and open your CPA firm also. So is it compulsory to apply for CPA license? Yes, if you write the exam in India, within 3 years, you need to apply for license, else your scores will get lapsed. Sir, I've done BTech and I am a company secretary. Am I eligible for CPA? Yes, you are eligible. Your CS gives you 60 credit. Your BTech gives you 90 credit. 150 credits makes you eligible to sit for the CPA exam. Okay. I hope I didn't miss any of the question. Yeah, Rohan, I've asked, do Big Four hire CPA freshers or CPA with experience? Big Fours hire CPA freshers as well as CPA experience. All the Big Fours together hires around 30,000 to 40,000 people in India. So that's why CPA is very much in demand than ACC and all. Like Slakshi Minarayan have asked me, what is your take on CPA versus AC? I don't want to differentiate both, but on any given day, guys, you also know that there are not many UK companies in India. There are a lot of US companies in India, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Accenture, and all. So I would see that job opportunities for CPA are more than ACC. Any given day, I would suggest you to go for CPA. If you're not doing so, your first thing should be CA. If you're not opting for CA, then you go for CPA, and final should be for CFA. That's all. And if you're really interested for investment banking, just go for CFA. Don't select anything. Okay. So that's how it is. Okay. So Sarika, if you apply NTS, can we attend exam in June? Yes, you can give Sarika. Still the slots are open. So you can still write your exam in June also. Okay. So Kamal, I'm asking, hi Sripal, can I take the one exam on June 1st and other paper on June 30th? Very risky, Kamal. I am thinking that the lockdown might extend in various states actually till June also. Don't give any exam in June beginning. Try to write all your exam in June end only. Schedule your exam in June end. That is what you will need to do, Kamal. Very, very risky to take on June 1st. So Ridhima, what is the passing criteria in CPA exam? If one has a CA degree, there is no benefit of CA degree. They will be considered as a BCom only. As I have said you, Ridhima, your CA has no value here except for credits in CPA. So you will not have much, any benefits, no exemptions, nothing. Okay. So do I need a separate coaching for all the subjects if you are recently qualified as CA? Yes, Keshav. Again, coaching you have to take from Simandar or not take. That is your personal choice. We don't force anyone. But yes, it is important that you take the training because the study materials are not given by ASCPA. And the exam is 50% multiple choice question and 50% simulation. So you will need to kind of practice the software more. You need to practice a lot of MCQs. It's an open book system. So you need to practice a lot of things as such. So I would suggest that a coaching would be very beneficial. Having said that, it is not mandatory that you do it. You still can do it on your own. So there's nothing a rule that you need to go for a coaching only. But I would suggest that the chances will be more of passing. That's the only thing. And you're a CA and all that will have no value as such because CPA is a completely different ballgame. It is also tough. So what will be the total cost of CPA now, given that the exams can be appeared from India? So again, I have said you that the CPA cost is around almost 3 lakh rupees is what you would be coming across, including your exam fees, your evaluation fees, your coaching fees, everything. Is US CMA course also a good value addition in our career? Are jobs available for US CMA? I would say if you're a BCom and all, it's a good bet to do a US CMA. But if you're going in a corporate ladder, like you're going in a senior manager position and all, you will have to do CPA also after US CMA. So your US CMA will not be sufficient that time. So will the exams be held in India in December since it's not official yet? Yes, Anand, I have just gotten frequently asked question approval from AICPA that they might conduct in December. And I think that's a possibility because of the lockdown might extend till May and all. So I don't think so June is a possibility. So they will extend one more month in December also is what is my guess. But again, it's not official as you say, but that's what I got information from AICPA, which I'm communicating to you. Okay. Okay, so now we are going back to the glossary sheet. So if you see there, guys, so I go back again. So these are the testlets which you get, right? So MCQs. So if you see there are multiple choice question and there are task-based simulation. So I'm just opening a Becker software for you. So how it looks like, right? So I'll just show you how the CPA exams look like. Though you are asking so many questions on the process and all, पहले ये तो देख लो भाई लोग कि CPA exam, how does it look like, how the question paper looks like and all. So I'll just see, you can get a good idea about how the questions are being set. You have a 14-day free trial also of Becker, right? So apart from the Becker, we have our own Simandar lectures and the Simandar classes, also live online classes which we take. See, coaching will always make you disciplined and all, right? So that is one of the advantages. So see there, guys, in the Becker thing, if is everyone able to see my screen, guys? Is everyone able to see the Becker product here? Yes. Yes, is everyone able? So this is what is a Becker product, and we have the Samandar portal also where we record our own local lectures also. So if people can't understand the US faculty's accent and all, so we have our own classes. Please don't raise hand, guys. Any questions, please put it in the chat window. I will take up each and every question. Okay, I'll not miss a single question. So right now I'm talking about the Becker. So this is how your exam will look like, guys. So if you see there, you have 4 sections in CPA: financial, audit, regulation, and BC. These are the 4 subjects in the Becker software, and this is how it is. So financial have 50% multiple choice questions and 50% simulation. So if you see there, the Becker thing, what we are seeing up. So if you see this, so it is 50% multiple choice questions and 50% simulation. So a lot of the people have doubt that what is the content here? Everyone talks about evaluation, eligibility, fees and all. No one is talking about the content. Bhai padna kya hai CPA mein? Just see the portion, guys. You have the conceptual. So this is the first subject which I'm taking up, which is FAR of CPA. You have conceptual framework, you have financial reporting, US GAAP, you have the business combination, which is nothing but amalgamations. You have goodwill, you have liability, leases, derivatives, foreign currency. देखो यूएस में सट्टा बहुत होता है, इसलिए सीएफए के पोर्शन इज लाइक ऑल अबाउट डेरिवेटिव्स, राइट? सो दे आल्सो ट्रेड इन बीफ आल्सो देयर. उन लोगों ने ना बफेलो आल्सो दे हैव नॉट लेफ्ट. So that is how they do a lot of stock market trading, and also accounting standards. All these US GAAP codifications are all made on derivatives, foreign currency, pensions, EPS, and then you have something called as governmental accounting also. In the Becker product, you have unlimited multiple choice question, and you have 3 mock questions. Now, what is Becker, sir? So Becker is the world leader in the CPA currently. They are into the CPA training since last 70 years. So we are one of their official training partners. What advantage we bring is we also give our own classes apart from the Becker software and all. So you get that as a complimentary. So that kind of strengthens the candidate. We have almost around 95% pass percentage, guys. Hardly people fail because of such a robust software. If you see there, guys, and the training added kind of adds more flavor to the overall preparation. So you see there AICPA newly released question, like in ICI, we have something called as RTP's revision test papers being issued by Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. Then you have the Facebook groups, then you have Skillmaster library, and your auto update feature, which is one of the most important feature, which kind of differentiates Becker from all the review providers. So all the local, see, some of the coaching centers, they print their own materials and all. See, I can also write that. I myself a CNCP, I can write my own book and material, and I can give you a cheaper cost, guys. But the problem is, if any content gets changed, any changes, because the CPA exam, the international exams get changed very frequently. So that's why this software will help you, because it is auto updated. So each and every update gets up. So you get all the alerts also here, right? So that is one of the feature here. You're reading all the updated things. And what happens in professional exams, they ask all the updated things. Who all are CAs here or who all are CA students, they'll agree to it that amendments are asked a lot in the exam, because all the latest changes are the ones which the people ask, right? So that is what is what you say, I would say, is one of the fantastic feature of the Becker. Okay. So now when we are coming to financial, which I was talking about, right? So 50% is multiple choice question and 50% is simulation. So if you see there in the sims, how does a simulation look like, guys? So multiple choice question, you know, A, B, C, D and all, but simulation is nothing but your case law based questions, guys. So if you see this, this is how sim looks like. I hope everyone is able to see my screen, guys. Please let me know if you're not able to see the screen. Can someone reply, guys, if you're able to see the simulation here? Calculator, the Excel sheet, the authoritative literature. Now people have asked me this question, sir, हम लोग खुद से क्यों नहीं कर सकते CPA का course? Can't we do self study? This is the only reason why Becker or Simandar exists, because of this 50% content. Do you see this, guys? This looks like a complete exam oriented software. ये कोई पेनड्राइव क्लासेस नहीं है जो सीए में होता है, राइट, 500,000 रुपए का जैसे. दिस इज अ सॉफ्टवेयर ऑफ $1 million प्रोडक्ट. So it trains you like a complete CPA exam what you write online. So if you see that you have a calculator, you have a time, you look like a CPA based exam, because this simulation, which is a case law based question, like we used to have in our 10th class guys, English mein, they used to give us a big comprehension, and then they used to tell us to write some figures there, right? So this is how the simulations look like in CPA. And then you have an open book system. When I tell open book system, it is a digital open book system. This is known as the digital open book system, where you can do a keywords and all those sort of search and all here, right? So this is how it looks like. So you can practice this a lot, and that's how you kind of get it. Okay. So one question have come, if I start my coaching now and I'm planning to write the exam in 2021. Okay. So will I, just a second guys, I don't know, it got hanged actually, the system. Okay, will I get the access to updated coaching classes? So once you are enrolled with Samandar, you have lifetime access only. Becker access also, you have something called as limited and unlimited. So you don't need to worry on that particular thing, right? So that is there anyways. So this is how I was explaining you the authoritative literature here. So this is how you'll need to do a search and keywords. So a lot of the people were asking, sir, क्यों हम लोग ये software खरीदे? So this is one of the important things, guys. So you will practice a lot, because this is an open book system where you will need to search in authoritative literature and answer from this. Do you understand this, guys? Is everyone able to see the screen and able to understand what is this simulation? Because no one is explaining this, guys. सब लोग सिर्फ बात करते जा रहे हैं, ये फीस है, ये है, इवैल्यूएशन. जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द कंटेंट. पहले बात सीपी का एग्जाम होता कैसा है, सी द टाइमिंग्स देयर. आर यू एबल टू सी दिस, गाइस? Now this is how it looks like. This is how the simulation is. This is the real time examination. What you will see this here, they will give you a partnership agreement, exhibits की. See there कितना high level का exam है. It is very very practical, guys. जैसे हम लोग CA में हम लोग ने कभी ITR फाइल नहीं किया है, right? Here they ask you to fill the income tax returns in the exam itself. They'll tell you to fill the form, right? In CA and all, we are not asked practically. We do it in our articleship. Here, since CPA doesn't have an articleship requirement, so they test everything practically in the exam itself. They'll tell you to file the returns and everything, and all sort of things they'll ask you practically. So this is about financial accounting reporting. So you have one more subject. So I'll go into the subject wise. So see there in the Becker product, you have lectures, you have skill practice, you have NCQs, you have simulations, so much of practice. I don't think so anyone can fail after doing this product and our classes and all sort of support. Now you have audit. In audit also you have the normal audit, which is there in our CA curriculum, which you have seen in BCom also sometimes. So this is all is about integrated audits, quality control, and these sort of things are there, right? So in audit also you will see that same portion what you have in CA, little bit of dissimilarities, right? So would we be allowed to download Becker software on our laptop only once, or I can simply log in and use a Becker software? Without internet, you can't do it, Mohit. You will have to kind of use the internet, then only you can log in to the Becker. So right now I'm explaining the content, guys. Again, no procedural questions. First, understand what is a curriculum and the content. So this is audit. If you see there, guys, this is V3.4. Sub institutes, if you see their major institutes जो नए नए आते हैं, they don't give you the updated content. If you see there, audit 3.4 is the latest content which is coming up. There is something called as course updates also, which you are seeing here. See there, right? So you have the course update which gets automatically updated. So whatever you are studying is the latest what you are seeing in the software. Okay, so that is how you need to see that. There are only 6 chapters in audit. This is about audit. One of the toughest sections in CPA exam. All the chartered accountants fail in this particular subject only. Sir, what is the reason why CS fail in this exam and only in audit only? Reason is they are very overconfident. वो लोग सोचते हैं कि वो लोग पूरी जंग जीत के आ गए. Once they are CA, they think that they have conquered everything. Unfortunately, they are brought back to the ground because of this exam. It is one of the tougher exams actually. So that is what it is, right? So Anand is asking, what is the total hours Simandar gives the training for? So we gave overall around 250 hours of our training, right? Our classes, and another 100 to 120 hours we take some revision classes, and also overall around 350 to 360 hours is the training which is given by us. Apart from the Becker's 450 hours of video lectures. So there is enough support actually. That's the reason why we are, I don't know, people tell that we are very much very good institute for CPA. So I don't know, but people tell that. So I don't want to boast about that, but this is how it is actually, guys. So next is regulation. So you have R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7. So there are 7 chapters: individual taxation, property taxation, corporate taxation. You have the business law. So if you see there, guys, same in rec also, you have course updates here. So all the tax portion keeps changing in US every 4 months. So your product gets automatically available. Automatically updated. So you don't need to worry on that particular front also. Okay. And the last comes the BEC, right? So you have FAR, you have audit, you have financial, and last comes the BEC. So इसमें एक फंडा है, guys. So here what happens is it is 50% multiple choice questions, but 30% is written based, 20% is written communication sims. So what are these written communication sims, guys? ये लोग तुमको बोलेंगे कि एक लेटर लिखो अपने वाइस प्रेसिडेंट को या मैनेजर को कि why NPV is greater, why IRR is greater. Are you getting it, guys? तो दिस इज टेस्टिंग योर रिटन कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम. आज हम लोग देखते हैं कि कितने सीए लोगों को, and जो भी including when I also joined, when I qualified CA, I never used to know how to write an email also to our managers and all in the company. So this exam tests you on the writing skills also, guys, in grammar and all, because they want कि जो भी CPA पढ़ रहा है वो English में बहुत अच्छा रहे, right? So there is an, if you see there, guys, is everyone able to see my screen here? Yes. See there, guys, this is a written communication sim which they'll ask you. See that Paul Gard, a financial analyst, has been tasked with forecasting the company's financial statement and is assessing its working capital cycle. He has prepared a memo for manager to review. Using the information, complete the 4 tables. तो वो पढ़ रहा है कितने inventory. So this is a calculation based. So there is something called as written sim also. I will show you that. Actually, I've selected the wrong sim, I guess. Just a second. So see this, guys. So this is how they are asking you to see your right technology and all. So if you see there, एक memorandum लिखो बोल रहे, what is the role of technology in control monitoring? Are you able to see this, guys? You need to write the memorandum. Is everyone able to see the screen again? Yes, please confirm me, guys, because this is an important aspect of the CPA right now. What we are seeing, it's more on the curriculum now. So now we are out of evaluation, eligibility, वो सब गाना हुआ है. अभी हम लोगों को चाहिए कि एग्जाम दिखता कैसे है, कैसे इसका, how does it look like, how it is being structured and all. So this is what I'm trying to show live, right? This can, so if you see there, they are telling write a letter to CEO. If you see there is a time also which is counted here. So you have a limited time. Then you have 3 testlet which is being shown. So you will be given a calci also there, and you'll be given a pen paper there to solve and all. And again, this is how you will need to write. What is the role of technology? So technology plays a, so we have blockchain technology, which is kind of, right? So this is how you will need to write. Blockchain technology is a right? So a lot of the skills will be tested. जिसके पास laptop नहीं है, forget it that he can pass CPA exam. I am 110% sure he will fail the CPA exam. There is no doubt about it, because he will have to practice the software. जिसके पास भी laptop नहीं है, please don't write this exam at all. You will be just wasting your time. Are you getting it, guys? Okay, so this was about the CPA curriculum and all, right? And then you have a study plan, which is a Becker study plan, and also that also you can go through, right? Then you have something called, yes. So Utsav, yes, what's your doubt, Utsav? Sorry, I have not seen the question. Can you just type again once, Utsav? What is a job scope of US CMA in India freshers? Particularly, many companies are treating them as normal BCom graduates. See, Wasim, the problem is the institutes who does that, they hardly have any contacts, right? So that's the problem. इनके पास कुछ contact नहीं रहते, that's why they can't place. So here in this Nikkei courses also, you will find CPA also, you will not find very good job opportunities unless you join a good institute which have good corporate connections, right? So like, see, we place the students because we have good connects through our CFOs, and also we are able to place them. But if you go to some other institutes and all, if they don't have good proper connects, I would feel very disappointed, because you will not get any job in these qualifications. So that's how it is, because there is not a placement portal like ICA does a placement team and all. There is nothing kind of here. There is no campus placements here. It's the institutes which need to do that. Most of the institutes don't do that. That is the problem. And that's why you see that these courses are being treated like BCom, because in log ye institutes ko aata hi nahi hai kaise isko run kare, right? So that's the only problem. Okay. Now we come, sir, I'm doing job somewhere. How much time do you think to get CPA cleared provided the person is CA already? 10 months is the minimum average time. Whether you be a CA or non-CA, the time remains the same. The basics remain the same. Even a BCom guy will also have a same basics what the CA guy has. So you don't need to worry. Sir, I really want to join. I want to give the exam in September. Can I give it? Yes, you can do it provided the evaluation comes, everything. If you can't do it, Utsav, you will need to write in December somehow. Okay. Again, I have said you with CA qualification, how CPA can value add in terms of money. In terms of money, nothing can add value add. Only your skills can add money actually, not the qualification. Please don't be an impression that if you do CPA and all, you will get a lot of money. It is all based on skills. If you're very skilled, if you know if you have cracked your interview properly, you will anyways get the job. You don't need to worry on that. Okay. So what is the scope of SEMA in India? I have not heard about SEMA, Aman. Actually, there are hardly people they hire for SEMA. I think CMA USA is better, but again, CMA USA also have limited job opportunities. So one need to be very careful because the packages don't go up. There are jobs for USCMA, but the packages are like 3.5 to 4.5 lakhs, right? So we, through our influence and all, we place them at 5.5, 6.5 lakhs. But strictly talking, most of them, as I already said, if they are going to some other institutes and all, I'm not sure how the placements will happen because we are very strong in the placements currently. Okay, sir, as of now, I am getting a salary. Okay, just a second. Is BCom ANF as per the IGNOU eligible for 90 credits as we write only 6 papers there in 1 year? No, BCom IGNOU will not give you 90 credits. It will only give 60 credits. So you will not get BCom IGNOU. Sir, is there is any time limit to complete and pass the CPA course? Within 18 months, you will need to pass the CPA exam, guys. Are you getting it? So the 18 months will start from the day you receive your result of the first exam. Suppose I've written the FAR exam. I've got the result on, I've written the exam in June and I got the result in July. From July onwards, you'll have 18 months to complete the other 3 exams. If you don't complete, sir, the exam which you have passed also, you will be writing again. Your scores will get lapsed. Lapsed ka matlab kya hai? That exam will get lapsed and you'll need to write the exam again. Uska meaning ye hai. Amit, how much time it takes to clear one subject? As lots of videos on students on YouTube claim to clear one subject in 3-4 weeks study only. Again, depends, Amit, like they are studying full day, that only. If they study full day, that only like 8 hours, 9 hours, I think you can complete the CP exam in 5 months, 4 months only. Like 10 ghante, 12 ghante, like see, even CA also people can complete in 3 months. Strictly talking, CA final people only study for last 4 months, which they get after articleship. Unko 4 mahina leave milta hai, Amit. In that 4 months only, they study the entire CA curriculum. Same you can apply for CPA also. So if you have 4 months of full-time study, you can finish your CPA in 3 to 4 months only. Are you getting it, Amit? So it all depends on how free you are actually. So certain states need ethics exam in addition. Sir, can you please explain a bit on that? So ethics exam is only for licensing. If you are going for license, Meena, you will need to write an ethics exam. That's an open book, very silly and easy exam. You don't need to worry. We will only help you in that exam also. So it's an open book system. You don't need to worry on that. कोई भी आके देखेगा नहीं क्या कर रहे हो क्या नहीं एग्जाम में 10-15 लोगों को आपके बाहर बाजू बिठा दो और एथिक्स का एग्जाम कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. But again, you will need to write that on a basis that because ethics is given a lot of importance there. So I request you to write it without any copying and all. Please don't do that because don't compromise your ethics for smaller aspects. Okay, एक चिल्लर ethics exam के लिए don't copy and all. Okay. See in job how much time a person should devote if one has to clear the exam in first attempt only. If a CA is in job, he would have to, I think, devote almost around 10 to 11 months because you are doing a job. It is not easy to study daily. So I would say 2-3 ghante if you are studying in a day. So preferably 10 to 11 months of hard work you will need, Ridhima, to clear the CP exam. I have done BCom from Delhi University School of Open Learning and CA final 3 exams left out of 8, which I'll pass in the coming attempts. So will I be eligible for December attempt? Yes. So once you give your mark sheet, my team will just check that actually because Delhi School, University School of Open Learning, I don't know. Agar koi yahan Delhi ke log hai, just can you validate that? Is it UGC approved? If it's UGC approved, that will make my things easier. Else I'll have to take your mark sheet to NASMA and kind of validate. And then only I'll tell you that whether you can write the CP exam or not. I don't want to charge and then later you come to know that you're not eligible. Doesn't make any sense whatsoever. Okay. So give your documents once to our counselors or anyone. So they will kind of, I think DU SOL will give credit is what Chirag is telling. If Chirag is telling, I will abide by it. Chirag is my student only. So I think we'll go with it. But still you give it on a safer side. I'll just take care. So how far, sir, I'm working in a secretarial profile, have 2 years of experience in it. Will it be difficult to switch to accounting profile? You don't worry, I'll switch you. Samvit, you don't need to worry on that. So there are a lot of openings going on for CPA. Sir, how far is it true to put more focus on MCQs and less on other section like simulation to get a passing score? I would say that don't do that strategies. Focus on each and everything. Don't leave a single aspect in CPA. This is not like CA that you can do selective study and pass the exam. You will need to study each and everything. Don't leave a single thing here. Yadu Krishna, sir, I'm a BCom first year student. Can you guide me towards CPA qualification? It would be great if you guide me like a roadmap. So Yadu, right now you are in a BCom first year only. Don't go into other institute and all, and they will tell you, you join with us for coaching, do 2-3 years coaching, and then write CPA exam. Right now you are not matured enough to write CPA exam, Yadu. So please don't give your CPA exam. BCom, you are in just in a first year. CPA exam requires certain maturity. There are a lot of concepts which are beyond your understanding itself. So I would suggest once you are in final year, then you start for CPA course. Right now you can do USCMA course and kind of do BCom along with the USCMA. You will have some qualification in your name, Yadu. So I would not suggest you to do CPA currently with your BCom in the side. Okay. So will I have to do any bridge course if I'm a graduate? Yes, Aman, you will have to do a bridge course, a postgraduate diploma or an MCom from IGNOU or something. You will need to do it and give an undertaking that you are doing the bridge course and you can sit for the CPA exam. You don't need to wait for the bridge course to end. The moment you are graduate, you can sit for the CPA exam. You'll need to write an undertaking to the CPA body that you can still write the CPA exam. You are doing your remaining 30 credits. You'll write it in a paper and give them. Aman, are you getting it? So Rohan sir, should we give 2 papers at a time or all 4 papers at a once? Won't recommend all the 4. Now that the exams in India, give very slowly, 1 paper 1. So in both the papers, give a gap of 15 to 20 days. Suppose if you're writing the exam in June 10th, the next exam you should write in June 20th only. See, this is a Western culture exam, guys. They give you a freedom. Are you getting it? To select your exam anytime. Jab freedom there hai, to exam is very tough. So you must understand that you should have a gap between the exams. It is very important to have a gap of 10 to 12 days. It's unlike CA. देखो CA में कैसा होता है, एक दिन का gap देके you need to write the exam. CPA is very easier in that manner. CPA में कैसा है, you can give it like any month. So you can select what month you want to write. So there is a freedom to select your exam, schedule your exam, write your exam. So that is how. So exam means you should be free. So they don't scare you. Right? Unlike our Eastern exams, Western exams makes you more positive. That's why the passing percentage of CPA is 75%. Guys, you need to score 3/4 of them correct. When I tell 75%, that means 75% time. मतलब क्या सर, अगर easy questions आ रहे हैं आपके CPA के exam में, that means you are failing the exam because it's a comparative based marking. It's a percentile. Like CAT का exam रहता है guys. अगर दूसरों को वो tough लग रहा है, that means it is tough for you also. So some questions are given higher weightage, some questions are given lower weightage. Are you getting it, guys? So on the basis of weightage, on the basis of difficulty, on the basis of that, they will be giving you the score, right? It is not straightforward 75% correct, but yes, you will have to score majority of the answers as correct. So unlike CA, which is like 40% तुम ला लिए, so you will pass and overall aggregate तुम्हारे को 150 or 200 के above आए. So you will pass the CA exam. Nothing like in CPA, you will need to score the maximum 75%. And in our CPA coaching, when we give and when I talk to my students, I always want that I'm still looking for one student who would get me the What Sells Award, right? So 95.5, if you score above 95.5, guys, they will give you an award, which is known as What Sells Award winner. ऐसे लोगों को मैं बहुत easily place करा सकता हूँ. Right? So aim for that highest 95.5. I think that is the ultimate goal of every. So we Indians, we should make ourselves proud, right? So hardly any Indian have got that What Sells Award. So I request जो prepare कर रहे CPA के लिए, don't be in a rush to just pass the exam. One who just be in a rush for passing an exam, anyways can't be placed, anyways can't be satisfied, and he will still be in a rush. Don't be in a rush. You have selected CPA to study. Not to be in a rush and all to write September, December. कुछ नहीं होगा. ये साल नहीं लिख सके तो next year लिख लोगे. कोई हड़बड़ नहीं है, तुम्हारा जॉब जाने वाला नहीं है. Some people are like, sir, अभी लॉकडाउन है तो मेरे पास टाइम है. You will always have a time. When you have time to do courses, when you have time to do so much of watching movies, you'll definitely have time to study also. Right? So don't be in a rush. Plan your exam properly. This is an international exam. This is not like some ABCD exam. So you need to plan it systematically. Don't be in a hurry that I'll write September, December and all. Till you're not satisfied, till you don't enjoy while studying, don't write the exam. If the exams are a burden for you, please straight away don't write CPA exam. I am telling you first only, you will fail the exam. There is no doubt about it. In case agar tum log galti se pass bhi ho gaye, you will not get job. Getting it? So you need to be really passionate when you're studying, understand the meaning, understand the logic, why the tax have come, why that accounting have come, why closing stock is credited to trading account, right? Why share capital is shown on the liability side. So these questions you'll need to keep asking yourself and introspect. Do you read your annual report? Do you read newspapers daily? So these are some of the things you'll need to update yourself. Then only you can look for jobs and all. Every qualification have jobs, guys. I'm telling you. ऐसा कोई कॉलेज, even BCom also can be placed at 10 to 11 lakhs. It all depends on skill set. It all depends on the how you study your subject, right? I've seen a lot of BComs getting more than chartered accountants. So it is nothing like that. It's just that you need to study in a very, very good manner. That is how you will kind of clear this exam. Now, Ridhima, I have a question. Is CPA preferred if one has just cleared in May 2019? As I heard that one should give time to CA, at least 2 years to her CA career before appear for CPA. Nothing like that, Ridhima. All fake rumors. कोई time नहीं है जिसको पढ़ना है. One who is passionate, one who loves the subject. There is no time like that, right? So people like Vivekananda can study in 1 day only the entire 1 hour only they can study the entire CPA, right? So we are thinking like we are an average student who would take normal amount of concentration. We are distracted and all. So 10 to 11 months of average duration is what we are seeing. See the Becker product, guys. अगर आपको देखेंगे Becker का product भी. So I'll just show you. If you see this Becker product, they have calculated the average duration of the time also. If you see this, financial require 150 hours, audit require 90 hours, regulation requires 120 hours, business requires 90 hours. So आप देखेंगे 150 plus 90, 240 plus 120, 360 plus 90, 450 hours it takes, guys, to pass the CPA exam. That is what is a software telling on an average for a student to pass. Getting it? So would you be starting a new batch from now to target the exam preparation for September? Also, would you be taking classes for all sections, Amit? So Amit, here I take for FAR, for regulation, we have the faculty who is specialist in tax. So हमारे यहाँ specialty ये है, the subjects, a person, the teacher who teaches the subjects, he himself should have practical knowledge to it, right? FAR में I have a practical knowledge because I was with financial statement, IFRS, US GAAP, so I teach FAR. Right? Regulation, we have a faculty who have been into US tax since ages. So she teaches tax. BEC mein I and other faculties teach. Audit mein it is common for audit. So, but we take the person who have been into audit completely. Uska sona, pina, khana, pina, everything is audit. So here in Simandar, how it is like, if you have seen in CPA always Sripal C, right? So वैसे पागल लोग हैं यहाँ पे. People are passionate. That's what I'm telling you, students. Like whenever you're studying, you be just passionate. Don't worry about what is the result and all. बस पागल हो जाना. So when a person is teaching you also, उनका सुबह शाम खाना पीना फार है for that faculty. Same for taxation also, morning, evening, night, they just study tax. So they will do justice to you in teaching, right? So that is how we select our faculties also. So their full time is only that. So that's why they will do justice for that particular subject. So, sir, we need $1,500 for current registration for CPA and coaching fees is separate, right? Yes. Not $1,500, actually $2,500, Keshav. But right this training fees and all sort of stuff for you guys. Just a second. I'm just opening an Excel sheet because a lot of them are asking on the and the exam cost and also is on the cost base. So see this, guys. So abhi hum log ka CPA ka first step. So what is the step? Now I am taking like a person who have just come to know about CPA. So that all the doubts can be cleared. I am a fresh person. I have just come after CA or after BCom. What should I do? Step 1, apply for evaluation. Right. So this is the first step which you will be doing. Right. यहाँ पे evaluation के लिए तुमको कितने भरने पड़ेंगे? $225. So this is what straight away you will need to pay for evaluation. Right. 225 into say 80 I'm taking because the Indian currency will depreciate further because of the interest rate difference between US and India. So I see that Indian currency might go to 80 also by year end. So I am taking 80 as a safer rate. So 18,000 you will need to pay straight away first for your evaluation. Your evaluation report aane ke baad you will apply for your NTS. right? Apply for NTS. Before that, apply for NTS via CPA Central and then NASBA single sign-on account. So these are some of the accounts which you will do it. Right, so there is an application fees and all sort of stuff here, right? Those $1,000 is the application fees. I mean application and exam fees. So 1,000 into 80. So this is your CPA exam fees. Okay. Step 3 is, since you're writing in India the exam, so you will need to pay international testing fees. Application fees और $100 भी रहती है, so I didn't add that. So another 7,000 you added. So international testing fees is around $1,500. तो ये रहेगी 1,500 into 80. So 1,20,000, 80,000. So this is the overall fees. So 2,18,000 is what it is. और हम लोग की फीस रहती है बेकर का लिमिटेड वर्जन के लिए 1.2, right? So right now the current price is 1.26 or something, I'm not sure, but Becker keeps changing the pricing and all, and we are having some discounts on that 1.26, 1.12, which is including GST. दूसरे institutes charges 90,000 and all, they don't pay GST, so that is their botheration. अगर कल GST का रेट पड़ेगा तो वो institute बंद हो जाएगा. So I don't want to close the institute, so I am charging 18% GST on that basis. And if you are using the Becker unlimited access, it is coming around 1.64, which we don't give only, which we feel that there is no use of paying so much, because unlimited access की जरूरत नहीं है, because Simandar itself is there with you. So our own classes are there. So this 1.26 includes all the help, evaluation, your assistance, your each and everything will be covered. So somewhere we are talking 2,18,000. So 3,20,000 to 3,30,000 is what we are talking about the entire CPA cost. Are you able to hear me, guys? I think some of them are telling the voice is cracking. Yes, are you able to hear, guys? So it is closer to 3.2 to 3.3 because I have taken as 80 as the price. Sometimes the Becker product comes at 1.32, sometimes it comes at 1.45. So right now it is like at a lesser price. So you some of them might be getting some discounts. But गिना चुना से 5-6 हजार का फर्क पड़ेगा. So right now it is 1.26 lakhs is the Becker and the Simandar fees and all. Right, so that is how it is currently, and then there are offers and all on, so you can get in touch with the counselors and all, you will get some good offers that time. The discounts are valid sometimes, and so they are the persons who talk on the fees. Right now I am taking the worst criteria. अगर इतना सब रहे, so overall around 3,20,000 से 3,30,000, 10,000 15,000 का फर्क इधर उधर पड़ेगा, which is fair enough. So overall somewhere around we are talking about 3,20,000 to 3,25,000. Sir Anand Shukla is asking, sir, 95.5 in all 4 exams or any one exam? Bade bhai, Anand bhai, you will have to score in each and every exam above 95.5 to get Watsels award. Okay. So sir, if I get Watsels award and if I'm in Simandar, what will Simandar give me? So we will refund you your entire money. Uske alawa we will give you a Apple iPhone also. That will be the gift from my end. In case if anyone secures that Watsels award from Simandar Education. Okay. So wo hamara deal hai. Right, so okay, now so is it clear, guys, for everyone, so that I can move on to the licensing thing? So if the evaluation, the Becker product, the Becker examination fees, each and everything, is it clear? Yes, can I move on to the next thing? I'll just summarize the evaluation process also for many. If you see there, these are the steps for evaluation. Pay where it is, meet the requirements, submit the education documents, complete application, receive the approval, receive NTS, schedule with Prometric, take CP exam from Prometric, receive the score report. अभी थोड़े terms कैसे evaluation report दिखता है. See this is how you will get a copy of your evaluation report is uploaded below. This is how your evaluation report you will get it. Okay, and then exam fees and all. Right, and then you pay the application fees and select the section and get the hall ticket. Here you will need to pay your international testing fees and all. Right, then take a print of this NTS. Then you can schedule your exam in the Prometric. Prometric ke website mein jaake you can select the location, and that's all. You can select the exam and all. That is how the entire process is. So if you're clear about the process, yeah. Are you able to hear me, guys? So yes, guys. So any other thing? So before I move on to the licensing part, any questions still here in the evaluation or anything? Have you have any idea where in the India the exam centers will be? Are you meet already? They have announced, right? So the exam centers will be in Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Chennai, Trivandrum, right? So these are Ahmedabad, so Kolkata. So these are the exam centers, right? So these are the exam centers meet. Okay. Yes. No, that is fine. Meet, even if you're not aware. So for awareness only, you have joined the webinar, right? So there's nothing to feel sorry about it. Even I also don't know many of the things. So there's nothing to feel sorry about. Okay. Okay. Aman Darne, like CA final has a vast course like anything. What about CPA? CPA में guys, there are only 4 sections. सिर्फ 4 subject pass होना है बस. Unlike CA is very very vast and very tough. CPA is not tough. It is easy than CA. That is what I can tell. Sir, can we conclude CPA is superior than CA? Wrong, misunderstanding. It can never happen that any professional qualification can be superior than other. सबका अलग अलग बेनिफिट है. अगर आप यूएस की कंपनी में जा रहे हो तो सीपीए का इंपॉर्टेंस ज्यादा है. अगर आप इंडियन कंपनी में जा रहे हो तो सीए का इंपॉर्टेंस ज्यादा है. सो डोंट क्रिटिसाइज सीए, डोंट क्रिटिसाइज सीपीए, डोंट क्रिटिसाइज सीएफए, डोंट क्रिटिसाइज एसीसीए. सो डोंट डू दिस कंपैरिजंस. इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन योर रिक्वायरमेंट्स. अगर आपको कौन से कंपनी में जाना है, यस, बेसिस ऑन रिक्वायरमेंट्स. इंडिया में रिक्वायरमेंट ज्यादा है यूएस कंपनीज का, इसलिए हम लोग बोलते हैं कि सीपीए का डिमांड ज्यादा है. दैट इज हाउ इट इज. डजंट मीन दैट कि दूसरे क्वालिफिकेशन बेकार है. And it doesn't mean, don't be in an impression कि CA के admissions भी कम होंगे. It will never happen. See, after CA also company secretary came, ICAI came, people still did both. So I am thinking that when CPA will come to India, people will do CPA and CA, right? So we are not that person who will promote CPA and will not promote CA. So CA is always will be CA. It doesn't mean that it will lose. मैं तो अभी बोल रहा हूँ कि all CA students should do CPA because that will be a backup option. So you should do both the qualification, guys. So don't be like अरे मैं CA का छोड़ दूंगा और CPA कर लूंगा. Never like that. Whole I've quitted CA. I'm telling you guys again, CPA करने के बाद वापस CA देना, क्योंकि तब तुम्हारे को जॉब मिल जाएगा. So full lifetime you can study for CA. Whole quit CA in between. Write CPA exam, get confidence back. Pass the CPA exam, get a okay. CPA के बाद भी तुम लोग CA पढ़ सकते हो, तो no one will stop you. So you can do simultaneously both. Okay, so do you have a center in Bangalore? Is Amit Kumar asking. अभी center रख के मतलब ही नहीं है Amit. There is no point in having physical classes when we are going all through technology. So it is all about online now. So since 5 to 6 years, we have around 2000 where we do all our classes online. And see this today, when you are listening to me online, I don't think so you have any disturbance, right? At times the voice is cracking, but you're still able to grasp the thing. It is as good as physical, right? Okay. So that is how it is, guys. So any questions now before we move on to the licensing stuff? So Amit Sinha, can a person reappear for an exam to secure good marks after passing the first exam? No, I didn't get you, Amit. What is the question exactly? Sir, are there levels like CA to pass in CPA like foundation, inter, final? There are no levels. There is only 4 subjects. I have just now said CPA have only 4 subjects. That's it. There is no levels, nothing. Sir, I have done PGDPM from AICT approved, but not UGC. I am getting AICT would work for 60 credit. Missed this earlier. Akash, you'll need to get in touch with our evaluation Sonam and Sabia and the team. So they will know better than me. Okay. Kamal Vora, is the exam window open for the entire month of June and September or only for 10 days? Kamal, it is for entire month. Pure 30 दिन exam hai. Okay, it is, I am again typing also, it is entire month. Sir, can we apply for evaluation in the lockdown period and I have received transcript 2 months back? Please suggest me. Sridhar, go ahead and apply. There is nothing wrong. So they will do the evaluation also faster. So if you are, if there is a shipping and all going on in your city and all, try once and ship it. Though you maintain the social distancing and follow all the norms, okay? So just be careful on that. So what are credits actually? So Gopala Krishna, the credits are nothing but your scores are converted into certain number of units. Like, so all your first year of graduation is converted into 30 credits. So each and every subject gives you 3 credit, 2 credit, 1 credit, like that. ये पूरा मिला के they gives you 30 credit for 1 year. Okay, your BCom first year gives you 30 credit, your second year gives you 30 credit, your third year gives you 30 credit. So 90 credits is what it looks like. So can one reappear of the same subject multiple times for the sake of good marks? No, Amit, you can't do that. That is not allowed, unlike, right? So what is the use of credits? What is the use means there is a rule, boss. There is no use and all, there is a rule. एक law है. अब law कैसा है? So that is a law. You can't challenge it. Why it is, what it is, it's not the thing. They do their systems in credit. Now you can tell, why are you giving marks, Gopala, here in India? Right? For them, there it is known as credits. Here we talk it out about marks. Okay. So sir, in Samandar, can we shift around? That we can do it later. So can we give exams on Saturdays and Sundays? No. Is not open on Saturdays, and Saturday and Sunday you will not be able to schedule the exams. Bachu Srinivas is asking, sir, how COVID impacts on CPA opportunities? Can you please repeat? So COVID is not impacting any opportunities as such. Okay, guys, I think the internet. Okay, just hang on, guys. Yes, is it clear now? Okay, perfect. Yes, so that is what we were discussing. So what my view is that you don't apply for evaluation at least this month because of the lockdowns and all. So I just want that you guys be safe at least this month, because it is going very, very stringent. Actually, the cases are increasing of the COVID and all. So my humble request is April ka mahina jaane do. Your process will not be delayed. Don't worry. NASBA evaluation is going on very faster. Right? Even if you see there, guys, NASBA का evaluation mail भी मेरे को आया था. I have a meeting with NASBA itself. So people who think that what we are doing and all. So if you see this, guys, so I'll just tell you what is happening exactly in the background. See this, guys. So we have the introductory meeting for NASBA's International Evaluation Services. Do you see this, guys? So यहाँ पे मेरी मीटिंग चल रही है इन लोगों के साथ, पूरे evaluation agencies के साथ. Are you able to see my screen, guys, now? Yes, is everyone able to see my screen? तो उस लेवल के contacts हैं हमारे पास. So you don't need to worry, guys. I am just talking to them and expediting the process and all. So you just need to hang on there and at least comply with our things. अगर हम लोग ही पढ़े लिखे लोग अगर बाहर जा जाके, if we break the social distancing, that will give a very wrong message, right? So just wait for this month. I am trying my level best to expedite the process of evaluation. I've spoken to AICP also. So all the questions, all the things, whatever I am telling you are 100% true. I am not lying anything. ये जो भी मैंने अभी तक webinar किया है और जब से हम लोग ने समंदर start किया है, not a single thing we have lied on each and any process, right? So you need to trust us on that. Again, people are asking me whether the CPA center is permanent in India or temporary. Again, till it is not official, we don't want to communicate. That is how it is. So you will need to hang on there. At least next year that we are expecting that it will go on. But again, I don't want to be like other institute and do hangama and kind of enroll people, right? So we know that till next year it will be there, but we don't want to commit on anything, you know, because they have come to India, so they have done all their due diligence and then only they have come. Clear? So is there any minimum timelines for appearing for CPA 4 subject, or is it completely left at the convenience of the examinee, or also is it optional to opt for any exam at any time? So what happens, Ridhima, is even if you have applied for evaluation, so once you get the evaluation report, there is no compulsion that you should apply for your NTS or hall ticket, right? You may not be in a mood, aaj mera mood acha nahi hai, so I will not write the exam. So that is what people can tell, right, Ridhima? So you don't need to worry on that. So you can, but once you have applied for your hall ticket, your NTS is valid for 6 months. Are you getting this, guys? So within 6 months, you will need to write your exams. If you don't write your exam within 6 months, you will need to make the payment again. इसलिए हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं कि 2 ही section रखो. If you write 2 sections, your NTS is valid for 6 months. In 6 months, you will write only 2 exams and multiple times also. If you apply for all the 4 exams NTS, please remember that the NTS is valid for 6 months. मतलब आपको चारों exam 6 महीने में खत्म करने पड़ेंगे. If you can't finish that in the 6 months, you will need to pay the entire exam fees. मतलब वापस $1000 दो. Are you getting it, guys? Do you understand this? Yes. Is everyone able to hear this point? Did anyone miss this point of NTS validity of 6 months? It is very, very important that you schedule your exams only 2 sections. That is the reason why I'm telling two sections only, not all the 4. Because if you select all the 4, your NTS is valid for 6 months. So within 6 months, you need to pass out all the 4. गरिमत आपकी तबीयत खराब हो गई या कुछ हुआ, if you're not feeling well or if some unforeseen circumstances come, and if you're not able to do within 6 months, you are into a big trouble. So that's why we tell that you apply to exam, get NTS, and that will be valid for 6 months. So you don't need to worry on that particular thing. Okay. Is there any minimum timelines for appearing for CPA 4 subject, or is it completely left at the convenience of the, again, I have already covered this. So once you have got the evaluation report and all, it is completely dependent on you when to schedule your exam and all. There is no compulsion that you should appear for 4 subject. You can write anytime you want. Clear? But just remember that your 18-month window will start the moment you get your first exam score. That is how it is. So for 2 section cost would around $500 NTS cost. That's right, Akash. So you'll need to pay $500. Even you can apply for 1 section also. Agar India mein next year, if it becomes every month exam, I would suggest you monthly 1 exam rikho, 4 mahine mein 4 exam, over. That's all, game over. Clear? So monthly testing, I don't know, because it depends on the prometric availability and all. Okay. So Sambit is asking, sir, which paper should I give first? If one at a time we give, what's the sequence? There is no sequence. There is all about the concept. If you know the concept and if you have a good conceptual knowledge and if you understand your subject well, there is nothing like that. There is not like I should give this subject, that subject. जो बंदा US टैक्स में पहले काम कर चुका है, he should give regulation first. जो बंदा अकाउंटिंग में काम कर चुका है, जो पहले चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट था, should give financial accounting reporting first, audit first. Right? जो बंदा BCom है, who have never learned FAR or Reg or audit, should give BEC first. So BEC is the easiest among all of them. So you can decide as per your priorities and as per your work experience. If your work experience is primarily into audit, play with your strengths. जो आपका strongest area है, उसका subject पहले रखो. Are you getting this, guys? Rohan sir, what is a license and CPA fees? So what is CPA licenses, guys? So once you pass the CPA exam, you need to apply for license. So license requires 150 credits. So by default, sir, एक बंदा जो BCom है, उसको MCom कैश से भी करना ही पड़ेगा. Yes is the answer. But he will have 3 years of time to meet the balance 60 credits. So 150 credits चाहिए होगा license के लिए. और हर साल लाइसेंस की फीस रहती है 8 से 9,000 रुपए, विच इज वेरी लेस. इवन सीए का मेंबरशिप का फीस भी अराउंड 4,000 से 5,000 है. सो 8,000 इज देयर लाइसेंस फीस एंड यू विल नीड टू मेंटेन सीपी क्रेडिट्स ऑफ 120 आवर्स. 3 साल में 120 आवर्स. वी आर द चैनल पार्टनर ऑफ AICPA. इसलिए मैं इतना ज्यादा हम लोगों को नॉलेज है सीपीए के बारे में, क्योंकि वी आर ऑल्सो देयर चैनल पार्टनर्स. मतलब आई नो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग अबाउट AICPA courses, their content and all. So we are their channel partner. So we will only provide you the CPEs, continuing professional education, which the payment you will need to make to AICPA and all, and we will give you that courses. Every year you will need to undergo 40 CPE credits. 3 साल के अंदर you will need to meet 120 CPE credits. Sir, what is this CPE credit? जैसे ही आप CPA बनते हो, so all the international exams ask you to that you should update your knowledge every year. अगर ये लोग नहीं भी रखते तो मैं रहता तो मैं तो 100% रखता. Because once you pass CPA, you should update your knowledge, and it is important that you study the latest things in order to be updated. So every year 40 credits you'll need to do. CPA courses ranges from $100 to $100, like 7,000, 6,000, 10,000 rupees. So that is how the CPA courses are. Okay. So that is how it is on the licensing front. Right? So license के लिए simple है. You need to have 150 credits. You will need to pass the ethics exam. Right? And then you will need to have 1 year of work experience prior or post. मतलब आप CPA एग्जाम के बाद भी 1 year कर सकते हो, और या CPA एग्जाम लिखने से पहले अगर if you have 1 year experience, that also will be counted. It can be in anything, accounting, finance and all, but it should be from the finance and accounting only, not from non-accounting, like in voice call center and all. Anyways, I know you will not be doing that profiles. In case if you're doing any non-finance job, that will not be counted for work experience. Any CPA can verify that. And Our organization at Simandar, we only will support you in the licensing also, because I am a licensed CPA. So I will do your experience verification and all. I have a team of 5 licensed CPAs. You don't need to worry on that. So they will be doing your license verification and all. Just for the signing front, they charge something around 7,000 to 10,000 rupees. But once they finish it off, the entire licensing, everything comes up to you. So you don't need to worry on that. Okay. Amit Kumar, financial planning and analysis would qualify as an experience? Yes, it will qualify. Whether CA articleship experience will be counted? Definitely no is the answer. Internship experience, articleship experience are not counted. But in California license, CA articleship also they consider. But again, California State Board is very subjective, right? So some states, they count articleship experience, but it is very, very crazy actually. You need to struggle like anything to make them understand that it's a relevant experience. So my request is to go undergo a 1 year of work experience for sure. Anyways, you will do 1 year of work ex because 3 साल का time है आपके license के apply करने के लिए. So there is no problem in getting that 1 year of work experience. It's a very easy thing. Okay. Commercial or contract management experience will work for CPA licensor. Chirag, it will work provided you are doing the commercial clauses in that. Like you are seeing the finance clauses. Like if I'm in the contract management, I will see कि interest इन लोग ने डाला है नहीं डाला है, ये profitability क्या है वो deal का, what is the margins of that contract, can I accept that contract or not. Chirag, are you in that profile or are you in the another profile? Is my understanding correct on the profile of yours? Is it like checking the profitability of the contracts or not? Okay, perfect. So that is like a deal advisory profile. It's nothing but the pricing profile is what you are in. That will definitely be counted for CPA license. You don't need to worry. So job in Capgemini, in FNA, in P2P, O2P, yes, it will be counted. Procure to pay, order to cash, everything will be counted. Is profile of insolvency, FEMA matters will be counted for CPA licensing? Unfortunately, it won't, but मैं sign कर दूंगा. Don't worry. I will sign it, but मेरा नाम मत लेना because they will cancel my license for sure. It all depends on the license verification person. उसका जॉब जाएगा बेटा, अगर उसने कुछ भी गलत वेरीफाई किया है वो सीपीए ने, लाइसेंस सीपीए ने, they will cancel their license straight away. Okay, so that's what it is. So I'm with Genpact with financial reporting. Hope this would count. Akash, yes, it would count. You don't need to worry. So regarding experience, sir, will you help us in placement now? I meant before clearing CPA exam, very, very tough this year. So previously I used to place people in internships also in various CPA firms, CPA companies and all. Meena, right now, at least for 6-7 months, I see the job market as very, very tough. Unfortunately, you'll not have any job currently from our side unless and until you are qualified. Once you're a CPA and all, we can place you straight away. But if you're not a CPA, we can still place you. But unfortunately, in this period, we will not be able to do it. Like from April to September period or October period, because it's very, very, almost everyone is in lockdown. So recruitments are not going on. Everything is on hold. So I don't want to tell you something wrong. Okay, Meena. So once things stabilizes and all, I think we'll place you. Don't need to worry on that. And guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and be active on LinkedIn also, so that you can be in connect with us. In LinkedIn, we have a lot of the corporate heads and all where we talk and we place students and all. So please be active on LinkedIn, YouTube. So a lot of videos we put on YouTube. So experience in the profile of taxation will be considered. Yes, Ridhima, that will be considered. Sindara, but as of now in India, only 2 times we attend, that is June and September. Will all days be open to write? Again, I have already clarified. All the days it will be opened, guys, except Saturdays and Sundays. क्योंकि वो लोग भी human beings है, so they also require sleep. They also require some relief. So do you understand, Sindura? So Saturday and Sunday will be a holiday for them. If you are getting holidays, so that means they should also get holidays. Does it make sense? Okay, that's all we had from the today's webinar. Thank you so much, guys. Any further questions or anything? If you wanted like any help or anything which I couldn't clarify in this webinar or which we don't know. So I keep these webinars monthly once. When is your next batch starting? Sambit Mishra, tomorrow only the audit batch is starting at Simandar. The new batch of audit from tomorrow onwards we are starting up. because we are targeting that some people might write in June, even if they start from tomorrow and attend the classes and all, at least one section they can write Sambit. So from tomorrow our audit batch is starting. Sir, US taxation scope in India for job and practice, 100% Rohan, दुनिया का काम है. Lot of the US tax work is getting outsourced. It's a terrific work area actually. There are a lot of US tax work which is coming to India because US is going into recession. They'll have to come to India and do a lot of outsourcing here. Okay. What are the practice aspects? So this is my email ID. If anyone is looking for my email ID also, sripal@simandareducation.com is my email ID. So anything for that. So if I want to appear in December exams, you want to appear anytime, this is a right time to study. Please enroll straight away. If you think that sir enrollment के लिए बात कर रहे, think like that only, but enroll, study, study, study. If you're writing next year also study, this year also study. So enroll, there is no one, nothing changes will be going on. If you enroll today also, you will be studying the latest thing only with Simandar. You don't need to worry. Okay. I had some specific queries related to a particular state in US where I want to go and work. Should I reach out to you separately? So Meena, once you are enrolled, only that state specific request comes from Becker. I don't comment on any particular state because that's a very, very sensitive area. So I don't comment till I don't get any written communication from Becker that isko ye state board mein bhejao. So that's how the practice we follow. Till Becker doesn't tell us the state board, we don't tell the state board to the students. Okay. Sir, how can we study for indirect taxation of USA since REC doesn't cover that? Rohan, indirect taxation, unfortunately, we will do some crash courses. Once you're enrolled with Simandar, we do a lot of courses on stock market. We do a lot of courses on mergers, acquisitions, on private equity. We are opening up a new private equity academy where we'll be talking about a lot of financial instruments and all sort of stuff. So I will add up indirect taxation also in my portfolio. I think I got that request from a couple of candidates, Rohan. I promise you that I'll add up that for sure in the coming next 7 to 8 months. Okay. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. So these are the persons whom you can reach. 7780273. Actually, see, guys, there is a website. You can directly call on those numbers. Actually, on that website, there are 3 numbers in the website. You can directly go in and call those numbers and get first the guidance and all on the what do you say, the product and everything, and then kind of, so there are numbers here. Straight away you will get the mobile number here, right? So 7780273388, it is there in the website. So she is sharing who have got 94, 95s, 93s, 92s in CPA. So these are some of our success stories which we have got. So a lot of the CPAs passing here, so you can glance through the website and all. Some of these sessions I have done here in Amazon, Reliance, Infosys, ENY, Microsoft. So you can go through our corporate journey also to understand our corporate connections, the way we deliver and all. So these are some of the things you can go in. We are covered in your story. Some of the features in media also we were covered. The Hindu, Sakshi, Snapper Bus for blockchain we were covered. So these are some of the things, guys. Please do some research and kind of, so, and then accordingly we can connect. And stay happy, guys, stay safe, and thank you so much for attending today's webinar, guys. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.